In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your voice into any character with Elevenlabs. We will be using Elevenlabs to transform a regular voice recording into a character-style voice in just a few simple actions. This is a great option if you want to create content for videos, short films, social media, storytelling, or just experiment with different vocal styles in a fast and easy way. To begin, go to Elevenlabs and open the main dashboard. This is where you will access all the tools you need. Once you are inside, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so it's easier to move through the process smoothly. Next, head over to the Voice Changer tab from the left-hand side. This is the section specifically designed for turning one voice into another while keeping the rhythm and delivery of the original recording. If you are new to the platform, just move slowly and make sure you've selected the correct tool before continuing. Now upload your clean source audio file, either in MP3 or WAV format, or record your voice directly into the browser. A clean recording will usually give you better results, so it helps to use audio with minimal background noise and clear speech. If you are recording directly, try to speak naturally and at a steady pace, so the character conversion sounds more polished. After that, choose a pre-made character from the voice library. This is where you can explore different voice styles and personalities, depending on the character you select. The final result can sound dramatic, animated, realistic, or stylized. It's worth picking a voice that matches the tone you want for your project, so the output feels more believable and intentional. Once your character is selected, adjust the stability slider. Lower stability usually creates more emotion, expression, and variation in the voice, which can be useful for energetic or dramatic performances. Higher stability creates a more even and consistent tone, which works well if you want smoother delivery and fewer fluctuations. A good tip here is to make small adjustments rather than extreme ones, especially if you are testing the tool for the first time. When everything looks good, click Generate Speech and let Elevenlabs process the audio. After it finishes, listen to the result carefully. If you are happy with it, go ahead and download your new character audio. If not, you can revisit the character choice or slider settings and try again for a better match. And that's it. Thanks for watching.